In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Safety and Emergency. Now tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Emergency Contact and click on the ones you wish to set up. When you finished, hit Done at the bottom. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my contacts were successfully added. Most importantly, make sure this switcher next to Show on Lock Screen is blue. It has to be for all of those contacts to be accessible from locked screen. Now, to manage this list, you can click on those three dots at the top right corner. Hit Remove. And if you want to delete any contact from your list, just click on it and confirm your choice at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!